The next theorem is Norton theorem. So what is the statement? In linear bilateral network having number of voltage sources and current sources with the resistances can be replaced by a single equivalent current sources which is in parallel with the single equivalent resistance, where R, Rn is the Norton equivalent resistance and In is the Norton equivalent current. In the statement, linear bilateral network concept is given. What is a linear? Linear means voltage parameter increases, which is increase in the resistance. Okay. What is bilateral? A network having two sources which is in equal amount and opposite in polarity. Okay. Note, in the previous lecture we saw what is the difference between independent voltage sources and dependent sources. In the previous lecture we saw independent sources and dependent sources. What is the independent voltage sources? We are always short circuited and current sources are always open circuited. As usual, dependent sources are always constant for the whole circuit or the calculation. So next, the what is the procedure for converting Norton equivalent circuit? Okay, step first, remove load resistance RL. Okay, remove load resistance RL, short circuit all the open terminals and label them as a AB. Okay, step second, to finding out the current through the label terminal AB by applying KVL, KCL, Ohm's law and superposition theorem. This current is also known as short circuit current. It is also known as Norton equivalent current. Step third, consider all the independent and dependent sources. We know that independent sources are variable sources and dependent sources are always constant for the network. Step fourth, calculate Norton equivalent resistance across the terminals AB. Next step, to draw the equivalent circuit by connecting Norton current, Norton resistance and load resistance connecting in parallel with each other. Okay, which is the network is called as Norton equivalent network. Let's we see this network. Okay, in this this is the network of Norton equivalent circuit, which contains Norton current, Norton resistance and load resistance. Norton current calculated from the linear bilateral network where there is a number of voltage and current sources are present. Norton resistance calculated from linear component present in the linear bilateral network. Load resistance is as it is present in the network. Okay, this combination of parallel this combination of parallel is called as Norton equivalent network, which is useful for finding out the problems related to the Norton theorem. Okay, this is the main network of this topic. This network is called as Norton equivalent circuit or Norton equivalent network. Next, the four example is given for the Norton theorem, finding out the current 3 ohm resistor by using Norton theorem for the network. Here is load resistance is given. Remove load resistance and label as AB. From these two label terminals we can calculate the Norton equivalent resistance. Okay, again these two label terminals short circuited by a single stick and calculate Norton current by using KVL law. Okay, next step is to draw Norton equivalent network. Okay, the next step is to calculate load current through load resistance by using current division rule, or current divider rule. Okay, this is the basic